Hey everyone, Rob here from the Code Zone, and I really just wanted to wish everybody a happy new year, and I hope that everybody had a really great holiday. I know for me, December seems like one of those months that just flies by, and that's because of those back-to-back holidays. But with it being a new year, that usually means that it's a time for people to self-reflect, right? A time to look at what they've done over the past and maybe make some changes and new promises, new commitments for yourself in the brand new year. And we all hope that it happens, right? But everyone joins the Code Zone here with a different goal, a different mindset. And one of the questions I always ask everybody before they join, and it's really important to me, is to see how much learning have they done so far. And are they already a developer, for example, or are they just new? Maybe tried out a few tutorials. And if we're taking a look at the numbers, we're right about 85% of this group is new to development. And that's why I'm encouraging you this year to make it your goal, learn how to code, become that developer, and get that job or go freelance, right? Whatever your goal is with learning code, we want to make sure that you're trying to or going to achieve that. And so I really believe that the school community that we're all in can really help you achieve those goals. Now, I've been teaching for the past 5 years, and one of the best ways to learn if you're trying to do this in an accelerated manner is you need to have some sort of accountability and have someone to hold you accountable. And the other thing that makes for quick learning is you want those quick bite-sized lessons, and then you want some challenges or some projects that you can do, and you want to get some feedback, right? So all those things are found in this community. So I do have a very special offer, especially for the new year, if your goal is becoming a developer this year. And this is what I would like to propose to you. For this deal, I would like to have weekly meetings, which is a one-on-one meeting with you for about 30 minutes at a time. And that's where we can just go over stuff that you studied, see if you have any friction points that you've experienced, and that way we can walk through those together. Nothing's worse than getting stuck on something and then just letting it fester for days when it can really be solved quickly, even with a real quick recorded video explanation going over the topic that you were having problems with. Sometimes, like when you're coding, it can feel like you're climbing Mount Everest, right? And when you're climbing actual Mount Everest, you get a guide that takes you up there. And the same thing goes for when we're coding, right? It makes the journey easier. It gives you a clear focus, and we're also here to hold you accountable. All those things that I talked about. Now, with this deal, I only have 10 available slots I'm going to do for this, especially at the price point here. And the price point that we're looking at is $499, and that's for the entire year's worth of coaching. And I just want to make sure that this is also a zero risk to you. So if you want to join and you genuinely participate, you watch the lessons, you complete the challenges and ask the questions in the community, and after 30 days, if you don't feel like you gained any real skill, real confidence, real momentum, then the $499, like we don't want it, you can have it back. But I promise that is our little guarantee. So you show up, you follow the process, and if you're still not satisfied after giving it a real shot, send us a DM. We'll find you, no questions asked. And I just wanted to say that I'm not here to sell you on courses. I'm here to make sure that you do get results, and that's what I care about. So if you are serious about becoming a developer in 2026, then I would definitely choose this package before it fills up. And so I'd say, let's start off this new year with a promise. Let's lock in a deal. You'll definitely be held accountable because we want to make sure that you're getting off to the right start. We want to make sure that you have that path to success. But happy New Year's, everyone, and can't wait to work with those that want to take advantage of this very special offer. Take care.